Straight down here and right for me.
You may continue to use handheld electronic devices during taxi, takeoff and landing if flight safe mode is enabled and they are held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices such as laptops must be safely stowed at these times. Any transmitting devices without a flight safe mode must be switched off for the duration of the flight. For further information on using electronic devices,
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Brian Gillis. I'm your customer service manager on this evening's flight to Dubai. We have a team of 11 cabin crew looking after your comfort and well-being on this evening's flight. We would like to run our personal welcome to you all and to welcome back our executive club members and our world frequent flyers. If there's anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable this evening, please do let us know. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and it must be securely fastened when the overhead seatbelt signs are switched on. We understand that many of you will be having some rest this evening on this evening's flight to Dubai, we would ask you to please fasten your seatbelt over any blankets or duvets that were used throughout this evening's flight. Should the seatbelt signs be switched on, we will not have to disturb you to do our checks. We hope you enjoy your flight with us this evening to Dubai. Thank you.